Hey everyone, I am here today with the amazing Delilah Box unwrapping. I wanted to go ahead and show you the May 2020 Delilah Box. Delilah Box is a subscription box for biblical fiction books and for women who love biblical fiction. So each month you'll get a biblical fiction book, you'll get another book that's usually a nonfiction book, and then you'll get little trinkets inside a beautiful hand-sewed cotton drawstring bag. So this bag is really cute for Mother's Day. I got a dress bag, and I want to show you what is in this one. Now, I've been subscribing for a long time, so this month their book was Hava, The Story of Eve by Tosca Lee, and it's actually signed by the author. I believe it's somewhere in here. Here it is. It is signed right here by the author. So this was a special edition for returning members. If you were not a returning member, I believe that you got a different book this month for your special book. So the second book is the nonfiction book, and this one I can't wait to dig into. Top Secret Restaurant Recipes. Growing up, I lived at restaurants with my family. We just love to eat out, so I'm really looking forward to seeing the Olive Garden ones too. So inside here, the rest of everything that is in the May box, you actually get a little list of everything. So I have Hava, and then I have a cookbook. There's a scarf in here, there's a sachet, a notebook and pen, a Bible highlighter, that's awesome, a bookmark, a brochure, and then the little drawstring bag. So this is the brochure for the Delilah Box. It's called Grace and Delilah now, and this is like your little devotional. Here is the bookmark that I got, which is really cute. I love the little mopeds, that's adorable. And then I believe I got another one too. Jeremiah 31:25. So that's great. And then I believe that I got a scarf. This is a really pretty scarf too. Can wear this now that it's starting to warm up. Of course, as I film this, I'm in a sweater and a winter hat because it's so cold out here where I am. This is my sachet, and it smells so good, guys. When I unwrap this box, I could smell it through the wrapping. And then every month you do get a little notepad, and you'll get a pen that's usually inside of here too, like right here. Okay, so Grace and Delilah, home of the Delilah Box, so I've got that one. And then these are the Bible highlighters. These are great because I highlight so much in my Bible, so that's actually perfect for me. So this was everything that came in this month's box, and I'm really impressed. I love the Delilah Box. I've been getting this every month since I think December. So, and she always takes time to really make sure that the box is perfect for everybody. If you ever have a problem, all you have to do is message her if she forgot something or any sort of questions, and she always is right Johnny on the spot with everything. So overall, I'm really impressed, and again, this is the May box, and I hope you guys check out the Delilah Box, and you can at graceanddelilah.com.